Alright, light timer doesn't turn off anymore. I knew it was bad a while ago. Gotta kill the power. Kill the power. Kill the power. Kill the power. Okay. Every day you come in, this thing is stuck on, so we're going to change it out. Cool thing is, put a note on here for everybody. The guts come out of this thing. All we gotta do is change the guts. So, first thing I do, I happen to know where the light timer circuit breaker is. I can hear that it stopped. This one happens to be 220, 240. I'm going to take a quick little picture of this configuration. Ground loose, which is nice. 2 hot leads coming in, 2 hot going out. Doesn't really matter which, but that one's marked as black, that one's marked as black, so those are the 2 hot leads. Doesn't matter, we're going to just hook it right back up the way it was. This whole thing pops right out of here. I'll show you that. So since the power's off now, I'm just going to take them apart and pull the wires down here. Alright, so there we go. Just pull them out in the order they're in. This thing simply pops just like that. Just grab the other one. Alright, here's our new one. You can see there's little thingies back there that it has to go into. Little wedges on either side. It's got to go up above that on these little tracks and inside those little things right there. In. All we do is hook everything back up the way it just came out. Put the little time dealies on it, of which it comes with 4, and we'll be done. Alright, just a quick note on all these things. There are these funny washers behind each one of these terminals. The wires just get stuck straight up on the left side, so that as the wire's turning, it'll theoretically pull it that way. Moment of truth. Breaker stand. I'm going to go check the lights, make sure they're off, then I'll flip them on, make sure they're on, then I'll put the timing little gizmos on there. Put this back where it belongs, which is up under here. I have a two-handed thing that goes in like, yeah, two-handed thing. Goes in there, twists around, and goes up under there to protect all this stuff so you don't get zapped. Alright, I'm going to go look at the lights. Okay, function checks are good. Push the wires back up under there so I can put that up under here. These little funny things go in here. Just kind of go like that. They're a clamp, so you tighten them down. Around there. On, make sure you get the on for going on, off for going off. Make sure your clock is set correctly for the time of day. Those get tightened up like that. Let's see, what time are we turning this thing off? Jeez. Oh, got it in the wrong place. It's got to go over the hump. Yeah, like that. So, what times you get light? 7-ish? How about 7-ish? Just tight enough to hold on to it. And we hit the, that'll pop that on. Good to go. I'm going to write the date on there. What's today's date? Let's see, 12/30/21. Tells me when that went in there. We got about 3 years out of that in. Yeah, whatever. Alright. Now I found out that there's some other things on that circuit breaker, so I gotta mark them. But that's it. Piece of cake, in and out.